Hey there, quick review on the DeWalt 4 battery charger. This is the DCB 104. I own 3 of these. I keep 1 in the shop and 2 on my work vehicles. This is an excellent charger. The great thing about this charger that's different from some of the others is it will charge all 4 batteries that you put on it at the same time. You'll notice the Milwaukee charger that I have down here to my lower left. This is a 6 battery charger, but it's not sequential. It will only charge 2 batteries at a time. So if you put 6 batteries on it, it's gonna start at the end, charge the first 2, and then keep moving down the line. This charger's great because you put the batteries on it and they immediately start charging. So all of these batteries will be charged in about a half hour or so. Charges them fast. The crazy thing with DeWalt batteries, I've been using the DeWalt 20-volt batteries for close to 10 years professionally. Whenever I switched over from the 18 volts, I've never had a single battery go bad. And that's pretty incredible. And I probably own 40 DeWalt batteries. With this charger, you've got a cord reel bracket on the bottom here so you can wind up the cord, and so it's stowed away and not hanging around. It's got a nice carry handle, which actually comes in really handy. You've got mounting options with the T-stack over here on the side. Maybe it's not the T-stack, it is the T-stack, the DeWalt boxes. And then there's also holes right here, which you can see. That's how I've got this mounted, just with 4 screws, and it's extremely sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Batteries are pretty easy to pop on and off. Just give it a click, a little bit of a twist, and it'll come off. And then putting them back on, just give it a little bump and it pops right into place. You'll notice out here on my work van, I've got the DeWalt charger incorporated into my whole power stack with pack outs. Got batteries, got the microwave, and then another DeWalt storage box with the battery charger mounted on the front. It just works extremely well. I'd highly recommend this charger.